Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to play for you some beautiful fingerpicking style songs on the guitar, obviously. Maybe you know the songs, maybe you don't. I would really appreciate if you let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if there are some of your favorite songs missing. Write it in the comments and now let's start and play some music. I hope you like it. guess you recognized a couple of the songs, but maybe you didn't others. So let me know which one you knew, which one you didn't know, and which ones you missed. Let me know what songs you want to hear in a video. I'd love to play them for you. And if you want to get along on this channel, make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find below this video. No strings attached there. Just get them and have a good time here on my channel. My name is Hannes, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.